Hey YouTube, we just got our shipment, so this will be an unboxing of the perishable Wild Alaskan Company seafood and provisions. WildAlaskanCompany.com. So let's take a look. All right, bear with me. I gotta maneuver my phone so we can continue this. Oh, stop that. All right, there we go. All right, guys. Alrighty, what do we have here? Wild. Okay. Actually, it's supposed to be, it's kind of soft though. But this is what it looks like. It should be about 24 of these guys. Give you guys a look in the box. They're supposed to be they say 6 ounces each. And if they wasn't frozen, this probably one not frozen, we're gonna weigh it. No, they're all frozen. Oh, these are rock solid. So they are 6 ounces, but they're rock solid. Where's the one that wasn't? What's the first one I pulled out? Alright guys, so that right there is the unboxing of the Wild Alaskan Company.com. And this is the salmon. So it's about 24 of them in there. 16. Wait, what is it? 16. I got two different. Wait a minute, it's two different kinds. Hold on. What does this say? Okay, so it's another kind in there also. Let's find that one. Okay, I see now. That's this brand, this one here. And then it's the... Alright guys, so I'll let you know when I make something with it. Love you, YouTube. Bye.